Good Tuesday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. This is your outlook for September 9th, 2014. And much like your day on Monday, we're going to have another system to our south here, and it really hasn't moved much. It was originally over the Carolinas here, and it kind of is drifting up here by the mouth of the Chesapeake, right along the Mid-Atlantic coast here. So you will have a weak area of low pressure. And from this point, we think it heads almost due east here. So we're not going to be dealing with this much longer here, especially with a cold front coming in that's going to come in on Thursday here. So this should kick out of here, we think, on Wednesday, maybe just leaving it mostly cloudy for some areas here before it moves out here. But today will definitely be one of those days that will be dominated with clouds. Not so sure about the precipitation getting any more further northwest than it did on Monday. So some areas got into some showers here. Might get a little bit further northwest here, maybe up here by extreme southeastern PA and up through central New Jersey here. But north of there, the models are really not picking up on any precipitation. We'll go over the latest run of the NAM here. And here's to get the idea. Same idea here, where showers get all the way up to about Philadelphia and over to Delaware and South Jersey. These are really the only areas that are getting into the showers. Everywhere northwest here, we got completely cloudy skies up in these areas here. It's all northern New Jersey, back to Lehigh Valley, back to the lower Susquehanna Valley. Will be stocked with the clouds all day. Up north here, going to have broken clouds, maybe mostly cloudy, partly to mostly cloudy if you're lucky, and should stay rain-free on Tuesday. And then the system, again, is going to be pulling away very slowly to the east here, but really not going to be completely out of the picture here on Wednesday. But Wednesday it gets to a position right about here, so you're still going to have, with high pressure sitting up here, and this weak low pressure here, you're going to have an easterly wind flow, and that's going to keep the clouds socked in for most of the area here. We'll have mostly cloudy conditions on Wednesday, and this is going to be one of those deals where the closer you are to the shore points, the more clouds you're going to be dealing with. For the west you are, the less clouds you'll be dealing with, just because you have that marine influence and that flow off the ocean that's going to keep both temperatures down and keep the cloud cover in place. So we'll go ahead to Wednesday here and show you what we're talking about. Here's that system Wednesday. You can see it's moved further east here, but with high pressure sitting here, low pressure sitting right here, you get that easterly wind flow that we just outlined in the previous graph here. Here's our next system. This is going to be a cold front in association with a pretty strong area of low pressure, where this low pressure is going to move up here into southeastern Canada, and this is the cold front that's associated with it. It's going to be dragged through our area here. But this is going to be later in the day on Thursday, so most of your Thursday is okay too. This is just looking at this is actually looking at Wednesday night, and we'll go further from here. And you can see here is Thursday evening at 8 p.m. You can see showers and thunderstorms are just starting to get into our western and western sections over to basically all of eastern PA. It doesn't really get into New Jersey yet. Still showing clear in New Jersey and Delaware. Most of eastern PA are just starting to get into the showers here, but this is not anything that's going to be severe here. We're not talking about any severe weather whatsoever. Here's your cold front, very low pressure now way up here in southeastern Canada. So just not a lot of instability out ahead of us. So we're not talking about any severe weather whatsoever. We're just talking about just regular garden variety thunderstorms, line of showers and thunderstorms, and not a big deal. So this will kick through. This is the first of two cold fronts. And there's going to be a reinforcing one that's going to come in on Saturday, but Saturday's going to be even weaker yet. So here's a look at Friday. Absolutely nothing going on here with high pressure over the area here, so it will be a little bit cooler as well. We get into Saturday. Here's another system moving up here, much weaker now. Basically taking the same path as the other one did, and has the secondary cold front that's extended down here like this. So this is a reinforcing shot of cool air. So by the time we get to Sunday, once this system moves through here, it's going to be very quick. And of course, this is, by the way, this image here is 8 p.m. Saturday evening. So there's going to be a later in the day deal again with these showers and thunderstorms. But when we get to Sunday, once this once this clears out, I should say, high pressure is going to take over here, and we're going to have some really cool temperatures for this time of year. Now, temperatures are starting to drop. What are considered to be normal for this time of year are now dropping. I didn't have a chance to look at all of our entire coverage area. Since I do East Central PA, I did check out Allentown. Allentown's normal high for today is 77. So we are dropping of what is considered to be normal, and that'll continue to drop as the month goes on. By the time we get to the 30th of September, Allentown gets down to 69 for a normal high. So it will be steadily dropping between now and then, but We're saying below normal now. We're talking about below normal compared to what is the normal high for today. So if it's 77 degrees or 76 degrees by the time we get to Sunday, which is probably the case, I didn't look at that exactly, but say it's 76 degrees and temperatures here Sunday are going to be about room temperature. And that is open your windows and doors, and it's 70 degrees outside. It'll be 70 degrees inside. It'll be a very nice day to air out the homes and shut the air conditioner off if you haven't done so already, and just let that nice breeze blow in through here. So it should be a very nice end to your weekend, and not too bad Saturday either. Just that passing shower later in the day, but most of the day should be remain rain-free, at least the way it looks right now. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for September 9th, 2014. Have a great Tuesday.